Well, we are into a week of action here in Rio de Janeiro at the Olympic Games, and the Indian contingent is still waiting for its first medal to be delivered. Will Friday be the day? Well, there are a few events where some hopes are resting. The shooting contingent has been deeply disappointed by the outcomes of these games, but in the 50-meter prone there are two athletes competing. Gagan Narang is the one who's expected to do well in this event. He is competing, remember, in 3 events at these games. This is his second one, and one that he's done quite well in over the last 3 or 4 years. It's been one of his focus areas. Can he actually leave the disappointment of failing to qualify for the final of the 10-meter air rifle behind him and get a medal? Well, that remains the big question. Also in contention, just keep an eye out for this boy, is Atanu Das in the archery. All the women are out, but Das is up against a Korean in the pre-quarterfinals. If he does manage to get past that, there is a quiet belief in this Indian camp that this young man actually has the weapons to go far and win a medal. Also, the athletes get started on Friday, several of them in action, no medals to be decided, but the mixed doubles competition continues, where Sania Mirza and Rohan Bopanna now go up against the British pair of Andy Murray and Heather Watson. Keeping an eye also out for Vikas Krishan, who made an impressive start in the 75-kilogram boxing and has given himself the chance of winning a bronze medal at these games before they started. Can he actually continue his journey? That is also about to keep a lookout for on Friday. So lots of action. Of course, that medal still remains elusive, but the Indian contingent remaining hopeful of putting in a good show towards the end as the games enter their home stretch.